everyone, welcome to my channel. In this class we are going to learn the how to solve a problem using angle sum property of triangle or interior angle property of triangle. Here they given some measurement x 50 degree and 60 degree. Here these two measurement they given. We need to find out a value of x. So angle sum property state that total measure of three angles is 180 degree. So here three angles measurement you will get it 180 degree. We will write x plus 50 plus 60 which is equals to 180 degree. Why we are going to write this? Because angle sum property of triangle state that sum of three angles measures 180 degree. So sum of three angles is equals to 180 degree. Here 50 plus 60. So we need to add because these two are numbers. So x plus 50 plus 60 you will get it 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 6 is 11. We'll get it 110 degree. Then afterwards 110 degree it is and 180 are numbers. So we have to write it one side. So x is one side will write, then 180. This plus 110 come to that side, it will become a minus. Because it's opposite side. Because this is a left side, this is a right side. If it will go to the right side, it will become a minus. Then x is equals to, we need to subtract 180 minus 110. 0 minus 0, 8 minus 1 is 70. We get it 70. The value of x is 70 degree. So using this way we have to solve the problem. So next come to the other problem. So while solving a problem they given only this shape. So they are not given anything. This symbol they given. So in the question. So while seeing this symbol you need to understand this is a symbol of 90 degree. So if they are not given any measurement you need to write the 90 degree. So we'll write a three angles measurement x plus 30 degree. Here we have to write 90 degree which is equals to 180 degree. We are using a angle sum property of triangle. So same procedure. First we have to add the numbers. X plus 30 plus 90. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 9 it is 12. Then its answer become 120 degree which is equals to 180 degree. Now what is the x value? 180 minus 120. So 180. So minus 120 will get it. 8 minus 2 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So here we'll get it. The value of x is 60. So its value is 60. Then add 60 plus 30, 90. 90 plus 90 you will get it 180 degree. So now move on to the third problem. Here x and x. In a two cases they given a x. Only one here they given a 50 degree. How to solve this problem? So it's a very easy as it is. We'll write add all three angles. X plus this is 50 which is equals to 180 degree. Then they given a 1x. 1x plus 1x it is 2x. Before that we need to write a reason. Angle sum property of triangle. So while solving a problem in the geometry, if you are writing any statement, for that you need to write a reason. Why we are writing this statement. So this is a way to solve the problems in geometry concept. 1x plus 1x will become a 2x plus 50 which is equals to 180 degree. 2x is equals to 180 minus 50 degree. So we'll subtract 180 minus 50, we'll get it 0 plus 0, 0. 8 minus 5 is 3, 1 as it is, we'll get it 130 degree. 2x. So we want x. So this 2 comes down. 130 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12. 1 is a remainder, it will become a 10. 2 5s are 10. 65 degree. X value is equals to 65 degree. Here it is, x value is 65 degree and 65. 65 plus 65 you will get it 130 degree plus 50 degree you will get it 180 degree. So this is a way we are going to solve a problem using a angle sum property of triangle. So still some more problems are there that we'll solve it in the next video. If you like a video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.